In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 Pro to your mobile hotspot. Now, first things first, ensure that you have enabled the mobile hotspot on your device. So for me, I've already set up mine. So once you have set up your mobile hotspot, all you have to do is go to the settings on your PS5 Pro. And then within the settings, scroll down and select network. And then choose settings and then select setup internet connection. Now from here, press the triangle button to scan for any available Wi-Fi networks. So let's give it a moment. And then once your phone has been discovered, simply scroll down and select it. And then type in the password that is for your hotspot. So let me just type mine. Once you're done, simply click on OK, and that should connect your mobile hotspot to your PS5 Pro. As you can see, mine is connected. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.